Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Choice watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called energy saving mode, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we have this option, energy saving mode, basically power saving mode, and you can enable it by tapping on the switch, and then tapping on the check mark. And that's how it looks like. And to exit the power saving mode, once you're done, you can press and hold the side button, and keep holding it, until you see the normal watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.